Video 913 BFJ 203. My name's Kanji Coder. The source code is here. You're on the fast playlist. If you want a shorter explanation, you'll have to go here. Let's go into the code. So down here in top level helper functions, this is a new function. Tile size exponent GTX GTY converted to are we out of bounds? This is a monkey wrench macro for a misspelling because we need to have tile size exponent, right? Okay, so we're going to input the tile size exponent GTX and GTY and figure out if we are out of bounds. Out of bounds, output variables. 0 is undefined. If we are not within the bounds of the tile size exponent, 0 to 6 inclusive, we're going to throw a fucking error. Otherwise, if the tile size exponent is good, then we can, first of all, declare some magic nuclear launch codes. Grid of rooms, 5x5. Grid of hotels, 3x3. Okay, lateral span. The lateral span. Tile size exponent converted to lateral span. So what goes in? What goes in? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What goes out? 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. The span of a level in tiles for the current tile size exponent. That's what lat is. We're going to multiply that by 5 and 3 to get the... Oh, wait. Don't forget, -1. Global max index, the maximum possible index for GTX and GTY. If GTX and GTY is out of bounds, then we're going to return a positive for yes, we're out of bounds. If it is within bounds, then we're going to return a negative because we're not outside of the bounds. Throw an error if neither one of these conditions catch it, right? Output, out of bounds. And then down here, monkey wrench macros. This thing, look at it. It's important. Function boilerplate, assert that something's a tuple. This was a bug fix. This was spelled wrong. It's fixed. Okay, function assert range, same idea. This was spelt wrong. It's a bug fix. We fixed that. Then in TileFed editor put, in this debug section, we labeled it bugging out now, and then we are calculating the span and tiles right here. So if tile size exponent is in bounds, we're going to look up the lateral span multiplied by 5 by 3. That should sound familiar to you. Span and tiles. Otherwise, we're going to throw an error if the tile size exponent isn't in bounds, and we've refined these checks to be span and tiles -1 for GTX, GTY. This is RC for range check. Okay, down here, Mouse Master editor put. If we go down here, out of bounds calculation, calculating if we're out of bounds. Then right here, new section, don't swap me, bro. Call off the hit if we're out of bounds. Call the fed. If call the fed is true and we're not calling off the hit, then we're going to use the tile fed editor put. We're out of time.